Hello everyone, this is Ondrej and Ondrej Asking. We are here in this beautiful venue in Frankfurt. This is the Museum of the Communication and we are on CMS Summit. I'm not alone here, I'm here with Jeroen. Jeroen, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, thanks Ondrej. I'm Jeroen Fürst. I'm 43 years old. I work at an agency called TrueLime in the Netherlands. And I'm a longtime Kentico MVP and CMS enthusiast, and that's the reason why I'm here as well.
Perfect, yeah. So if I ask the question, I always ask just one. What is the best thing that you have seen on the conference, or is there anything that you're looking for? Because we are on the beginning of day 2 out of 2 days, so we have 1 day behind of us, and we have a lot of events and sessions in front of us, right?
It's a tough question, to be honest, because there's so many good things, but I would say it's helping us to get a grasp of what's happening in the world, and especially the changing world with AI. So you have a mix here of vendors, agencies, and to have these discussions with each other is so incredibly valuable, and accompanied with all these sessions where everyone is sharing and openly sharing what's keeping them awake at night, and what challenges they face, how they solve things. It's very inspirational to take home and to apply in your own practices. And for me especially, I mean, I've shared a session yesterday on the challenges that we as an agencies face in this changing world, and how we should adopt our propositions, use AI more, utilize it, and differentiate ourselves, especially around platform selection and how we utilize and accelerate using AI in creating these new cool projects, and then having other people come in and giving feedback and also sharing their stories. That's the main reason why I come here, and that makes it only taste like more. So you want more and more and more. So really looking forward to today and going even more deeper into the talks.
So if I just wrap it up, it's basically getting aligned with all of the agencies, vendors, providers, CMS providers, other providers, and users. There are even like companies that are utilizing the systems and the softwares and the agencies to build up their digital products. So basically align on this and see how the AI will affect this world, right?
Exactly, rightly put.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thanks.